The purpose of this lesson is to work with the search cursor. And what the search cursor is going to do is give us all the elements in a particular field. So when we look at this, we're going to actually get into the data and see what actually is contained within a specific field without ever opening ArcGIS Pro. So this is going to be done in our IDE. And if you look here, the first two lines are lines that we've been seeing where we import ArcPy and import the environment module. And then we set the pathway to where the file is located. So it's in our college folder, and the next line of the code is setting a list variable called store. Since we're working with data, we have to make sure that we look at the DA module, the data access module. Here's our command, search cursor, which is in the data access module. And we have two components here. This is the file, and this is the field. So we have in the college's shapefile a field called city_1. And what we want to do then is list all these cities. So in this list variable store, we now have all the members in this city _1 column. And so we're going to do a looping function, and the for loop is going to look at the variable store, the list variable store, and look at each individual member, and those members are going to be in a variable named storage. And then we're going to print on an individual line the value of storage. It's going to print the first element because it's the 0th. Remember, the 0 is the first element. So we're going to print the first element, which should be the city. And we're then going to loop back around and see, is there any more members in the variable store? If there is, we're going to put it into storage, and then we're going to print that element and continue the loop until completely done. This complete file has over 3,000 records. Now, we don't expect to look at every record, so we can look at a subset of the file, or we can only look at a piece of it. But we should just have a complete list of all the cities. We're not doing anything about duplicates, so the same city might be there 4 or 5 times if it has multiple colleges in that same city. So this is how we use the search cursor.